Selam cemaat, biz bugün şetil dostlarımız bilen jıyıldık. Indi köpten mınday video düşürgenim yok idi. Hem bugün biz Totar muzikaсын tыңlayacakpız. Алар birinci tapkır Totar tilinde jırlarını işleşekler. Hem аларның reaksiyaları nindi bulur eken görürüz. Benim ismim Bulat, Martin, hem Marta, hem Oygül. Martin, Marta, iste kaldır bu jingle. Maybe if you'd like to introduce yourselves, please, you're welcome.
Yeah, thank you for inviting us. Ahoj, jsem Martin a jsem ze Slovenska.
Ahoy, Martin.
Hola, soy Marta y soy de Tenerife, en España.
Hola, Marta. So to listen to the first and to watch the first music video, you guys need a bit of context. So we want you to try something. Haydi güzel. İn birinci şartta biz üç pişmak kuşatacakpız dostlarımızga. Alar birinci tapır aşap karıyorlar. Biz şulayaq şey yasadık, elbette nçeginde şey sizimi. Sütlü, miyik ne bilsen, rahmet. Bunlar hepne vegan it bilen, rahmet vegan. Imda oturamayın da. Sen yerden bitirgen. Şey. So, demek şeyini biz elbette sütlü itip matruşka bilen yasadık. Hazırlı şek-şekler pişirdik hatta. Oygülge köp rahmet, olik tırıştı.
Üç pişmek?
Üç pişmak.
Okay.
Temle bulsun.
Temle bulsun?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's thank you?
Rahmet.
Grachma?
Rahmet.
Rahmat. Delicious.
What is it inside?
Potato with onion and vegan meat for you.
Yeah.
Mine is with beef. I also put some Uzbek cumin.
It kind of reminds me of Bolivian salteñas. They also have like potato inside and they are kind of similar to empanadas, the
Mhm.
shape.
Usually, most of the Tatar pastries and dishes are with meat and potato. So.
That goes also for a lot of Slovak dishes actually, so it's...
Now that you've eaten it, you know the context, and let's watch this one. It's called Sine Zirme by Usal. Usal is a rapper.
Okay.
You'll see him in the video. And Sine Zirme means, are you ready? Are you
From-
ready?
Eje.
Eje.
Eje.
Ooh!
Ja. Ja. Sinezirme. Ja.
That's the
Sinezirme.
director of the video.
Sal. Sal.
This is my friend from our band.
So it's like critical towards the traditional festival, or...
Yeah, kind of.
This was a strong start, I would say.
Yeah? So what did you think?
I like this one, it was very fun.
Yeah?
I don't know if the lyrics are...
It was a bit random.
yeah.
Like the beginning, even.
Uh-huh.
Just a large shishmak.
Yeah? Which one?
They were very small, right?
They were fairly small in the video, right?
Yeah, they like
No,
they were
they're
like
usually this size.
Yeah.
Oh,
I
okay.
don't
But-
know why they were.
yeah. In video there was
they
like
made it
one
small.
bite. Yeah.
So
Apart from the one super large, it was
Yeah.
with the face, like it was the sound, right?
that's the singer. That's the rapper.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you got it right that, you know, it's sort of criticizing this festival that is becoming less authentic nowadays and more like commercial, you know.
Yeah, like commercial, but and it's, at the same time, like it's probably speaking about some traditions, but it's kind of like I think especially the scene like when they were having getting on it behind this kind of piles of wheat or whatever that was.
Mhm.
It was also like a critique, like in front everyone's tried to be like it's nice and traditions and very like I don't know,
Yeah, but it,
maybe conservative,
Mhm.
and then in the background it's
yeah,
Originally, it was like when people celebrated the end of hard work, where they planting.
let's try like a retro one, a cringy one.
okay.
Okay.
Farid, Ferit,
Uh-huh.
Tai Chef.
Yes, well done.
Okay.
Martin, ne, totarsha uqibla.
So it's from 70s or no 80s?
This is like
90s?
2000s.
2000s. Okay.
Wow.
Matrix'den şeklen.
Matrix, I think it's a reference to Matrix.
Matrix.
Uçratsam da seni kurup duyar kebek olmadım. Tanışlığım uladım.
Time's up, it says.
Remy is the clock.
They're meeting
I
in
think
real
no,
life.
yeah.
It's important.
If I were to guess where this music clip is from, I would guess Russia.
Yeah?
Yes.
Because the style, the clothing.
Yes, exactly. Like the style, the clothing, and the
And
whole
the
atmosphere of the video.
Right?
Like the second guess would be Balkan countries,
Ah.
because like
The
it's
beat is kind of like...
yeah, exactly. The beat and also the animations. Like
Yeah. What do you think? Anything similar in Spain?
Mm,
terms of
maybe
music?
cringy, like hearts and bubbles and
I've
stuff like this.
celebrated Christmas in Spain. I've seen your videos, guys. Don't pretend you haven't.
all the videos like that? Or?
Yeah.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay. Alright guys, let's go for like a modern one, yeah?
mhm.
It is prohibited to live forever in this world, it says.
What is tan tan tan?
Dawn is dawn, there will be no dawn anymore.
I like this one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this one is like, if I were have to guess just by the images, I would even say like it's German or British
Yeah.
or something like that. Some scenes reminded me of Rammstein's Deutschland clip.
Ah.
Very gay.
Also, like there are a lot of people who like the synth pop.
One more retro song that everyone knows. This one is really popular. It has
Okay.
1.7 million.
My mom always goes to her concerts.
Used to go because
Used to
she's
go,
dead
yeah.
now, yeah,
Okay.
the singer.
Xenia?
Khania.
Xenia.
Khania Farhi.
Very
Oh.
smooth transitions.
What happened with the effects? I don't
Helicopter. Like this whole energy of this clip, like the music, the visuals, it's very similar to music in Czechoslovakia in socialistic times. So
Ah, really?
yeah, Eldrmish,
That's the name of the village.
Eldrmish.
What do you think about this one?
It was fun.
I completely understand like at times when you were like really going strong with it because as I said, like we had this kind of music during socialism as well, and sometimes when I'm making code with my friends on Discord or something, we also just play randomly some of the songs, and it's just some kind of, it's like a bit cringe but also a bit like nostalgia, so it's like
Yeah, nostalgic.
nostalgic and cringe at the same time. Like it's not the music that we would like normally listen to, but for the memes
Yeah.
it's funny, but then it somehow kicks in and it's
Then let's move on. But this song doesn't have that many lyrics. It's
Mhm.
quite repetitive. You'll hear it now. Bush bash.
push bash.
It's an empty head. I'm not sure where it was shot in some Asian country.
Yeah, it looks like
This, what is this?
This is
which
Thai.
Thai, right? Okay.
it looks like those Japanese capsule hotels.
Yeah.
My favorite sound.
So this is not her.
Not her, no.
Ah,
Ah,
okay.
I didn't
The
know.
singer is not there.
I like the contrast between these shots in the beach and her with the
Mm.
bun, and then the other one she's so sweaty and running and very aggressive.
Yeah, and Rainy Street. Yeah, it's a really nice video.
I think I wouldn't listen to it at home. If I went to a party and this was playing, I would.
So empty head, empty pocket.
Yeah,
Ah.
I guess it's about poverty. Not only
Physical, but also mental poverty.
So I wanted to show you one folk song. It has no video, but I'd like you to listen to it and tell us what feelings you had.
Okay. But this is 70s, right?
Yeah.
If I would be like listening to this for a long time, I'll probably fall asleep
Uh-huh.
because it's just like very slow and it's nice and warm here and we had nice dinner and so, like everything leads to the sleep, right?
In the beginning, I thought it would be like relaxing music,
Uh-huh.
but then I couldn't really relax it.
It's about sadness.
Most of the Tatar songs are about like something sad.
So when it comes to the sadness, the feeling of sadness, there's a word in Tatar which is mung. So you usually can't translate that. It's a Tatar specific word, or other Turkic languages have it too. It also refers to a melody that is full of sadness, kind of, you know?
There's like grief and sorrow.
Usually when people talk about folk music, Tatar music, they say that it has mung. Yeah, I was wondering if you guys felt anything.
I couldn't feel the sadness.
Yeah, I wasn't feeling sad. It really reminded me of the Byzantine chorals or whatever.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I was just listening, like it was nice to listen to. Okay, we did it.
It was very fun.
Yay! Міне достар, рахмат айттық Мартин білен Мартаға қатнашқандар үшін. Сізге қарағаныңыз үшін рахмат. Татар музыкасын тыңлаңыз. Поп музыканы тыңламаңыз, мына шындай инди музыканы тыңлаңыз, альтернатив музыканы да.
Һәм ретро.
Ретроны да әлбәттә онытмаңыз.
Rahmat.
Uh,
Together.
Let's say in Slovak and in Spanish. In Spanish I can say gracias.
Very good.
Like in Canary.
And ďakujem.
Ďakujem.
Ďakujeme.
I sen sa.
I sen sa.
I sen sa.